Hi, I'm Charmtiu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Haray na. Arat na. Now, my dish is salted egg and peanut mitza. Let I'll let you see later. Have rice, plenty of rice. I'm not going to eat all of this, No, I will eat a portion only. Let's talk about update of my life. Tomorrow I have interview for new work. Pray for me. Come on. Let's put mitza peanut here. Canned goods from Canned Goods. This is delicious. If you want Asian dish, you buy this. Look, this one. This is delicious. Let's put in microwave. For 1 minute. While waiting 1 minute, I'm so happy. Tomorrow I have interview of work, praying that will hire me in a hospital cleaner. So happy. Today I will eat dinner and clean the room. Clean my room, my bedroom. I will clean my bedroom. So it will be a longer vlog. This is. Grab your drinks, grab your snacks, and let's start. Life is beautiful when you spend it with God forever. Finish. 1 minute is finished. Can eat already. I think it will be a 1 hour vlog because I have many things to arrange in my bedroom. Delicious. Salted egg is delicious too. Salted eggs is from Bali. Bali from Taiwan, Bali. I went Bali with church mates. I 我去巴黎跟基督教人、教会人。It's getting colder here. Here in Taiwan, winter already. Hello, Philippines, people, United States, Las Vegas, United Kingdom. Hello to everyone. Hello, Taiwan friends. I like to go to Hong Kong. Someday, action, dream in action. Dreaming should be work for it, so it will be in dream come true. So it's a salted egg. Finish. I get my Coke first. I have Coke in the bedroom. Who can help me repair the ceiling? Look at the ceiling. It's hard to repair it. I have searched it in Shopee. I like to buy it to tapal, to make it smooth. The ceiling. Look at the ceiling. Now, the ceiling need to repair. Cool. Hello to my boyfriend. Later you watch this. The Coke is sweet. The Coca-Cola is sweet. I have many days no drink Coke. I have drink Coke in KFC and this one. Some of the days no Coke. Some of the days I drink milk tea. It's hard to clean if you don't have your own house. You know what I mean? This is not my own house. It can be my own house, but it's not me only lives here. I live with parents. Then if I have my own home, I like it 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom, because the other bedroom I like to make it my pink closet. Yeah, I will decorate all my things there. Here in my parents' house, look at it. We buy a refrigerator. Ceiling, window have curtain. The curtain cheaper only. 100 affordable, 190 only for 3 to 4 piece per piece. 190. I buy 4 piece. Then this one I buy 200 plus only for 6 boxes already in one set, foldable, from Shopee. Look at this one. I buy this for online seller. This one also from online seller. Yeah, many things to do. I need to clean up. I like to arrange everything here very clean, very arranged, organized. Everything have designated part. You know what I mean? All spoon here, all drinking bottle here, all cups here. Like, you know what I mean? You can search very easily. Yeah, that's what I mean. You can search very easily. I like SMS Glam cleaner when she cleans her house, but you know, she's a rich CEO, but a humble one. I admire looking at her house, very beautiful, and the things are pink, all pink, so beautiful, so relaxing in the eyes. Yeah, so I want my home to be painted with pink also, but if my BF became husband, may he allow me to put paintings in the room, in the living room, in the toilet. Where is the hurricane right now? There's hurricane in other country, and typhoon in Philippines finished already. Now in Taiwan, sometimes it's raining. I pray that it won't flood. Take care, everyone. I just went to my friend, meet with my friend, go to Guangchang market, buy chicken wings, 3 for only 50 NT, and sweet potato, 30 NT grams, 50 NT only, 30 NT only. Then my friend buy chi pie, fried chicken, that is chi pie. You can buy that from Taiwan. It's very famous here in Taiwan, chi pie. It is chicken, fried chicken, but it's different. You have the pok become flattened and fry it. She buy 2 chi pie for only 100 NT, 50 NT each. When you buy one only, it is 60 NT. And he buy fish with many eggs inside, 12 NT each. I buy jogging pants for only 100 NT. Sometimes I buy 100 NT only, even if I have the money to buy the more expensive. The rich people that doesn't buy the most expensive one. They use the money in savings. That's why they become richer and richer. Yeah, that's true. Not all people are rich that buy expensive also. When you buy expensive, you will be no money because it's too expensive. When you keep on buying, you will become no money. You have problem with money already. This one is the sports pants, 100 NT. Yeah, it's cotton. Let's fold it first. Tomorrow I will use it. I will wear it. It's cold already here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is my shoes, rubber shoes. This one is my mother rubber shoes. Later I will use this amino acid cleanser. There's a story about this amino acid cleanser. I buy a watch online ads. They send me two of this one. Scammer. They are scammer. They send me two of this one only. They don't send me the watch that I buy. It's Barbie watch, 950 G-Shock. They send me two of this small one only, amino acid. It's scammer. Many scammer in Taiwan. Be careful of buying things. When you feel scammer already, don't buy. If you think few only her or his followers, zero followers, no, don't buy. They are scammers. If you see many thousands of followers, that's the real one, not scammers. This one, I will use it for my face later. Use less, save more. That's the secret of rich peoples. I'm not rich, I'm poor. Yeah, our money is only enough to buy food, enough to buy needs, enough to pay bills. Yeah, enough only. So I like to have a salary that can save more and more, and a sideline live selling. I like to live selling and sell in the market, night market. Yeah, Uku night market. See you there. I wash my dishes and clean my bedroom. When it's finished, I will let you see. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. As of now, I don't have work, so I'm at home already only. Bye bye. See you next time. Charm to you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Comment kind words.